Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds and genius mathematicians. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss second bit of problem 1 in exercise 2.2. So, this is the given polynomial and the middle term is in this minus 4s. And when you multiply this first and last term, what are they? 4s square with 1, you should get and you will get 4s square. Now, our main focus is we need to split this middle term minus 4s into two different terms. Now you know what is the criteria to split. So the criteria is when you add these two new terms you should get minus 4s. When you multiply these two new terms you should get 4s square plus 4s square. So now we have done successfully splitting of this middle term. So now after splitting, if you look at this, we can express this given polynomial as shown here on the screen. So 4s square minus 2s plus 1 is the polynomial after splitting. Now our next step is we need to do factorization and find the zeros. Before proceeding further, we welcome you to your favorite learning platform, Goodbricks. Till now, we have done splitting of the middle term successfully. So after splitting this given polynomial, we can write 4s square minus 2s plus 1. Now our next step is we need to take common from these first two terms. So when you look at these first two terms, you can take 2s common. So when you take 2s common, then you can write 2s into 2s minus 1. Then you will get 4s square minus 2s. Now from these two terms also, if you take 2s minus 1 common, then you need to multiply with minus 1 so that after multiplication with minus 1 to this 2s minus 1, you will get minus 2s plus 1. Now, let us move forward. From here, you can see 2s minus 1 and here also 2s minus 1. So, if you take 2s minus 1 common, this 2s minus 1 common we are taking, then we have to multiply with 2s and minus 1. Luckily, we got both the factors are same. So finally what we have done is this is a given polynomial and we have expressed this given polynomial as a product of two factors. Now if this given polynomial is equal to 0, then product of these two factors also should become equal to 0. That is what we have written. Now if the product of these two things is equal to 0, then either this or this should be equal to 0. If this 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, then 2s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, from this also we will get same. It means it has two equal zeros. Finally, we got 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are the zeros of this given polynomial, and generally we denote these zeros with alpha and beta. Now, we need to verify the relationship between these zeros and coefficients. Let us have small break and come back. I think you all already know that the relationships between zeros and the polynomials. So first relationship is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Second one is alpha into beta is equals to c by a. So now we are going to verify these two relationships. Now we are going to verify the relationships between zeros and coefficients. To verify that, we need to compare this given polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c. When you compare, you will get a is equals to 4, b is equals to minus 4, c is equals to plus 1. And we already got zeros of the polynomial. What are they? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So let us now verify two relationships. So here you have first relationship, that is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and here you have values of alpha, beta, b, a. So if you substitute, then you can write after substituting as shown here on the screen, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus of minus 4 by 4. This is how you can write. Now when you simplify, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but plus 1. Similarly here after cancellation we will get minus 1. So minus into minus is nothing but plus 1 we will get. So this left side one is the value of alpha plus beta, whereas minus b by a value is 1. So both alpha plus beta means sum of the zeros value and coefficients value we got same. So we have verified one relationship. Now let us verify product of zeros. So if you substitute the values alpha, beta and CA values here, we can write as shown here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Here we have C is equals to 1 by 4 we can write. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 4. So both sides. So this is the 1 by 4 value of alpha beta and this is the 1 by 4 value of C by A. Finally, since we got both values are equal, we have verified product of zeros also, and that is what we have written here. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus B by A, alpha into beta is equals to C by A. Hope you got good clarity. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.